Hi and welcome to our channel. Nowadays, we're already short of supplies of masks, and medical masks like N95 and equivalent respirator masks are reserved for our highly valuable healthcare and frontline workers. If you are interested in making and wearing a non-medical mask, this video will show you some ways on how to make your own mask, from simple to more complex designs. Come join me in my DIY face mask tutorial. These are easily made with supplies typically from home. I am making no claims as to the effectiveness of this mask. So let's get started. We need two rubber bands, a stapler, and a paper towel. Next, fold it about an inch, then fold another inch the other way. Repeat this process until you have folded the entire sheet. After you have repeated this process, take each end of the sheet, fold around the rubber band, then staple it. We need needle and thread, a pair of scissors, and an old bra. First, cut the bra in half. Next, remove the back strap. Then, remove one shoulder strap. Cut 2 pieces of shoulder strap, each 15 centimeters long. You can also adjust the length of the straps to your personal preference. Then, sew this area. Do the same steps for the other side of the cup so that it can be hooked behind the ears. We need 2 clean cotton cloths, elastic bands, and basic sewing supplies. I have 2 face mask patterns here. We're going to use this later. I displayed the 2 dimensions here, but you can still adjust to your personal preference. I allotted 2 different fabrics. We need 1 piece from the pattern having bigger dimensions and 2 pieces from the pattern having smaller dimensions. For the smaller clothes, fold this side twice and iron it. Once ironed, sew the sides of the fabric. Sew these sides too. Fold this area and flatten by ironing. Position the pocket opening to the center and use an iron to press the seam allowance flat. The back is the side with the pocket opening. Now, working from the front of the mask, I add 3 pleats and then pin the pleats in place and iron them flat. My size measured 3 inches. Sew along the entire side to keep the pleats in place and repeat for the other side. Fold twice the excess over to the back of the mask and pin in place. Repeat these steps for the opposite side. You should have nice folded edges. This binding will create a tunnel for your elastic to slide through. Sew along the inner edge of the binding to keep the binding in place and give you room for the elastic. Repeat for the opposite side. We need a safety pin and 2 strips of elastic 9.5 inches long. Take one elastic strip and attach one end to a safety pin. Slide the safety pin through one side of the binding and push it all the way through. To secure your elastic, double knot the ends so they are tight. To finish, pull your elastic to slide the knot into the binding. This will conceal the elastic knot. This part can be a little tricky depending on the size of elastic you are using. Repeat for the opposite side. Now you can insert any filter material available from your home. Some use coffee filter. Mine is HEPA vacuum cleaner bag filter. So I cut a piece of it and insert on my face mask packet. And for the last mask, I tried using PP or polypropylene because I read that surgical face mask most commonly used to make them is polypropylene. I bought this from Dollarama and we still need the basic sewing materials. You can hand sew or use sewing machine for making this. First, cut the PP to 20 centimeters by 40 centimeters. Cut also 2 pieces of elastic, each 7 inches long. Fold both ends of the fabric about half an inch, and then fold the entire fabric in half. Next, fold 3 pleats. Iron to flatten the fabric. Put elastic band on each corner inside the material and pin to keep in place, making sure the elastic is not twisted. Sew both ends of the mask. This holds the pleats in place and closes the gaps. Remove the pins. And now your mask is complete. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.